If you've been involved in an automobile accident in the state of Pennsylvania, and the individual that is responsible for causing the accident and causing your personal injuries does not have insurance and or does not have sufficient insurance, there are two methods by which we answer that question. Let's address the first one, which is the uninsured party. If the person that strikes you is uninsured, then there is in the state of Pennsylvania the option that you must have elected at the time that you secured your own automobile insurance, an option to purchase for a rather nominal amount what they call uninsured motorist benefits. And the way in which this happens is, or this works, is you obtain the benefit coverage. If you haven't elected it, I'm sorry, but you're out of luck and you cannot recover, because it's not worth pursuing someone that doesn't have insurance here in the state. But if you've elected the uninsured motorist coverage, you then make a claim against the insurance company for which you have paid a premium. You've bought a certain amount of insurance benefits. You can buy it in increments of 15, 30, 50, 100, or you can go as high as $1 million or $2 million worth of coverage. The premium just increases based on the amount of coverage that you've purchased. At that point, what you do is you say to the insurance company, I've been struck by an uninsured motor vehicle. I have a police report that says that this accident occurred. I have an individual that I prove to you doesn't have any insurance, and I want you to compensate me for my injuries. The process then works very similar to as if he was insured, which is you gather all your medical bills, you gather all your wage loss, you show the insurance company the claim that you are about to make for the benefit and the personal injury and pain and suffering that you've incurred as a result of the injury. If there's a disagreement, let's strike that. They can agree to make an award for you based upon what they agree and you agree to be the value of your injuries. If, however, they do not agree or they offer you something less, there are two processes, and it's going to depend on the terms of the insurance policy because they've changed them in the last few years. One type of policy has an arbitration clause where you select arbitration, and the process works where you pick an arbitrator, the insurer picks an arbitrator, and a neutral arbitrator is picked, and then you go to arbitration where you present your medical records. If you wish, you can present your doctor's testimony, you can present all the witnesses, and then they can make an assessment. The arbitration makes the assessment of what the value of your case is. The second alternative, depending on the terms of the policy of insurance, is that they may require you to go to court and actually sue the insurance company, and then the process works as if very similar to the way in which you sue an individual. You go to a jury trial, you go to a non-jury trial if you select, you present all your witnesses, you allow the doctors to come in, you reach agreements as to what happened in the accident or prove what happened in the accident, and then the jury again will make an award against the insurance company who's obligated to do so.